Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Atlas AI on Shopify. All right, let's begin. First, open your Shopify dashboard and go to the Apps section on the left panel. This is where you can access all the integrations for your store. In the search bar, type Atlas AI to find the app quickly. Once it appears, click on it to open the app page, where you can review its features and ensure it's the right tool for your store. Next, click Install to begin the installation process. It usually takes just a few moments. Once installed, Atlas AI will appear in your app list and automatically open, allowing you to start the configuration immediately. Now select the Generate Store option. This feature uses AI to help design and build your Shopify store efficiently. Follow the on-screen prompts to customize your store according to your preferences, from layout and design to product placements. And just like that, your Shopify store setup is underway with Atlas AI, leveraging AI to create a modern and functional shopping experience. So that's basically how you can set up Atlas AI on Shopify. That's it for this video. Thanks.